Good morning, this is Airpost Creations 2021. This is my weekend reading for all 12 zodiac signs. And we have now Pisces coming up. Welcome, Pisces. I'm using the plant soul cards and the Archangel Animal Oracle cards for the reading. And we start with the plant soul card. Out for you came the cypress. And the cypress is a very powerful plant. It is a common name for various coniferous trees or shrubs of the northern temperate regions that belong to the plant family Cypressaceae. Many cypress trees, they have needle-like evergreen foliage and acorn-like seed cones. Cypress speaks to you saying, I am living, I trust life, and I know that I'm always protected and loved. In case of some grief, the cypress plant soul helps you to find back by giving your heart the needed self-love and support to deal with any kind of loss. When we grieve, then we feel alone and we think that others cannot fully understand what we are going through, and our pain cannot change how others relate to our grieving, nor can the world always suit our needs. But we can transform ourselves in such a powerful way that then can change the things fundamentally. The effect of this plant soul is that it helps you to be more grounded. This plant soul not only helps you to be more flexible, but also will protect you. That is why many old cultures used the cypress tree for rituals, since cypress is a symbol for eternity and longevity. The cypress wood is and was used for building stable houses for many happy families, and you can find the cypress trees on many graveyards as well to celebrate eternal life. A tip of the plant soul cypress to you is to be assertive and to be determined, show resistance and never give up. Concentrate on letting go of sorrows and pains. This helps to set your energies free so they can flow in the right direction. All the aspects of the cypress, they are overcoming grieving, protection, the flow of life, resolution of stagnancy, emotional liberation, immortality, and flexibility. Chakras the cypress relates to are the root and solar plexus chakras. The Archangel Animal card comes up next, and before I give the message, I like to explain this deck called Archangel Animal Oracle deck. They are all related, the cards, in some ways to a lost mythical continent, which of course is pseudo-scientific and so relates to the New Age beliefs. Nevertheless, I hope you still can enjoy the animal story that the card Donkey now brings. Keep your heart open no matter what is the message from the donkey. Donkeys, they come from Sirius, first incarnating as the wild asses who roamed in huge herds in the wild areas of then Mesopotamia. Their souls desired to experience freedom, endurance, and companionship, and later, when many were captured, they were domesticated and were put to work by us humans, and they became known as donkeys. They still endure separation from their loved ones, burdensome work, and often humiliation, and this life is a challenging initiation for them. Archangel Mary is with them, helping to keep their hearts open, and Archangel Gabriel also encourages and helps the donkeys. He will assist you with your test in life, and if you connect energetically to a donkey. And he is, of course, the Archangel Gabriel, will assist you with your tests in life if you connect energetically to a donkey. Donkeys are the animal representatives of the Brotherhood of the Golden Robe, those who clear planetary karma through their own energy systems to help the world. Your gratitude is supporting them. The card indicates that you have been through or that you are still undergoing some sort of a test or an initiation. You may feel it has been unfair, but your soul undertook it to advance you to a higher spiritual level. Such challenges help you to develop qualities of patience, forbearance, and courage. So accept this and stay centered, calm, and keep your heart open. Use all your experiences to strengthen yourself, and you will move into a higher spiritual level. Then everything will feel worthwhile as you will see with your enlightened eyes. When you pass an initiation, you are always rewarded, so something much better is coming into your life. And when you receive this card, the archangels Mary and Gabriel, they touch you with love and with encouragement. That was the reading for you, Pisces. Thank you very much for listening. I wish you a beautiful Sunday. Sending love out. Take care and goodbye.